Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Welcome back to the channel, my viewers and my subscribers. Season greetings to everyone. If you're new here, my name is Everton. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright, I'm gonna give you an update on the sweet pepper, the bell peppers. Gonna give you an update on the lettuce and the hydroponic stand. Alright, yeah, also gonna show you the cabbage. Give you an update on the cabbage. Alright, so yes, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut, Jamaican Farmers Hut, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Stick around, there's a lot more to come. Yeah, my viewers, I'm here at the hydroponic stand. Yeah, and as you can see, the stand is very green. Lettuce, right, my viewers? Yeah, lettuce all the way. Yeah, hydro farming. Lettuce all the way, as you can see. Lettuce all the way. Okay. Lettuce all the way. It's about 7 days now since these lettuce plant here in the water. Alright. It's all about hydroponic growing vegetables. Alright. Yeah, lettuce, my viewers, lettuce. As you can see, very green and fresh. I'm gonna go right around and show you guys what's going on the stand. Yeah, look here, look down here. Lettuce, lettuce all the way. The stand is green. Yeah, lettuce, lettuce, lettuce all the way, my viewers. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce all the way. Yeah, it's all about the hydroponic stand, growing plants in water. All right, all the nutrients and all the fertilizer is in the water. All right, that's the reason why the plants are so green and beautiful. Yeah, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to click the notification bell to see when I upload a video. Alright, my viewers. Yeah. As you can see, the stand is very green. As you can see here, the water is running through the system. Alright. So yes, my viewers. Yeah. The stand is very green and lovely. I'm gonna check inside the pump here. Yeah. Everything is good. This is the next side of the stand. All the way up. All the way up is very green. Yeah, my viewers. Green and lovely. Wonderful. Hydroponic stand. Planting lettuce in water. Alright. So this is the next stand. This is the next side of the stand. Alright. As you can see. Very beautiful. Very beautiful, my viewers. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Farmer's Hut. Alright? Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. If you don't hit that notification bell, you might not see the next video that I upload. Alright? Here's my viewers. It's all about lettuce. Yeah? Very green and lovely here. Yeah? Yeah, my viewers. Next I'm gonna go inside the greenhouse and give you an update on those bell peppers. Let's see what's going on inside here. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Hydroponic stand. Alright? It's 100 feet long, 5 feet wide. It holds 2,000 plants. Alright? 2,000 lettuce inside. Yeah? Okay, my viewers. Stick around. There's a lot more to come. Here, my viewers, inside the greenhouse. Taking a look on all these sweet pepper. All these bell peppers. Yeah. It's all about farming. It's all about farming. It's all about farming, my viewers. You have to plant something. If you don't plant something, you're going to hungry. If you're hungry, you're going to die. And if you die, bye-bye. So you have to plant something. Or else, the price at the market is going to hit you. Alright? So yes, my viewers, Jamaican Farmer's Hut. Look on these pepper. Beautiful peppers. Beautiful peppers. Count how many peppers here, right here in this location here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 peppers. Right here. My God. Yes, my viewers. Beautiful pepper. Yeah. As you can see, look on this pepper here. This pepper grow between the limbs, the branch of the plant. Alright? Yeah, my viewers. Pepper. Bell peppers. Yeah? Bell peppers. As you can see right around, bell peppers growing taller and taller every day. Alright? So you know you have to trellis. We have to trellis all those pepper to keep them up. If not, they're going to fall. The tree is gonna fall. Understand? Yeah, my viewers. It's all about bell peppers. Yeah? It's all about bell peppers, my viewers. Bell peppers ready to started to ripe. Yeah. Bell peppers. Yeah. Bell peppers, my viewers. Okay. We have some pepper lately, some sucker lately plant. Going to go through and show you some lately pepper, some lately sucker plant lately. Alright. You can see. Alright. These pepper plant about a week ago, as you can see. Yeah, right ahead. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, it's all about inside the greenhouse. Bell peppers, alright? Stick around. I draw some callaloo for my chickens, alright? Yeah, my chickens love these callaloo, you know what I mean? So yeah, get some for them, you know? Yeah? Alright, this time around, I'm gonna show you what's going on with the cabbage, alright? Yes, my viewers, cabbage. Cabbage them look nice, you know? Yeah? Cabbage started to fall. Alright? Yes, my viewers. Cabbage. Yeah. Cabbage, my viewers. Seeing? So yes, my viewers, it's all about update on the lettuce, the cabbage, and the bell peppers. So if you want to watch the next video, you can watch this video here. Or if not, watch this one over here. Okay, my viewers, my name is Ever Slick. Peace. And I'm out.